Hello everyone, welcome to this channel Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. So, sending you love all the way from India. This session is about Sushant Singh Rajput, SSR. This is going to be for his justice. I did 3 sessions earlier. I got support and that was needed actually, so that we can continue doing some other sessions as well. I thought that I was out with everything, okay, because as per they connect. But then I recently again was having, in the middle of the night, I woke up. I was disturbed a little bit again, and it's like it's not going. I kind of feel like not just us as tarot readers or psychic intuitive readers, I feel like everyone around the globe is getting uncomfortable actually, and this happens because the spirit is not in peace. That's what I feel, why they are not in peace. So this is also connected with other cases with him as well. So whatever is coming, I will be giving you the message regarding Sushant, and regarding someone commented in the sections. Okay, now let's believe the justice and the CBI and everything, and the so talented lawyers, they're going to get justice definitely. Okay, there is something prediction that I want to do. I had recently the vision of number 5. This is just a Lipton, don't mind. Okay, don't worry. It's number 5, and I woke up and I was like just sitting in front of the camera, sitting in front of the mirror. Sorry, I don't want to edit it. I woke up and I was sitting on my bed actually, and I was like this, and I just saw to my right side, not here in my room, I saw to my right side, and there was some box kept, and on that it was 5, which was kind of confirmation. People who believe in this world, people who know it, people who know me, so if it is going on, you'll know it, what I want to say. I said in one of my readings as well that it's connected something with number 6, and it is true. You'll know in the coming time. But also it is coming 5. I kind of feel like it is something connected with 5 energies. It's also something connected with 5 date. Okay, I think something major will happen on 5th. Now this can be 5th of September or October, but something connected with 5. I don't know what it is, what they're trying to say, because they are trying to pull the energies up connected with 5. I feel like it's going to be handcuffing. Okay, it's going to be something that will major happen. It's going to be people going in. It's going to be more brutal. I don't know why I heard the word brutal, because he was being brutally murdered, maybe that's why. So it's going to be very rough, something that will get opened up. What do you want? Now let's talk about a little bit about him. In the later oh my god, I just did the cut here. So it's going to be something which will be at cross, but things will get more clear, and it's going to be no more confusion. This is something connected with the devil, evil practice, evil zone, and I feel like it's going to be chained. Energies are going to be chained, I feel like that. So in one go could be 5 energies will be going in. Trust me on that. Something will happen. And 5th date could be important, but they never told me the month. I'll try, but right now they're just saying, so maybe nearby 5th is important, coming 5th is important. Okay, but definitely it's going to be some evil will be ending, something negative that was done, brutal. It's chained is also brutal here. Okay, you know what devil goes for, you know that, right? So practices, rituals and all that, so who all go on that and they cover it up, it's going to be, so no, for me it is also going for assault. Now let's talk a little bit. I in my vision saw they tried to contact, it was a dustbin, the bin, garbage bin, small one, like a medium here, I can say like this much, I think, not the small one, and it was like it was on floor, means it is on floor, but it was tilting and it was on floor, like how to explain you, like it's like here and someone did like this, so it's like you can see the inside of the bin, the dustbin. Something was there, it was removed. Something was in there and it was being removed. I am 100% sure of that. One thing very important, it was being removed. Where it went, they'll find out, but it was something there. Okay, what else? I also saw when I did previous readings, if you heard it properly, that there was this one lady in sari or suit kind of, someone who was trying to convey the message, someone who was trying to say that there are flies out, someone who was trying to say that kind of like energy was like save, protect, secure kind of, and something was not right around him, the energies were not right, and everyone is aware about that. I know that there are so many sources, everything is out there, but what you don't know, I'm trying to say that and tell you that. I have to take a pause a little bit. Now listen, Fudge is fine, Fudge is all right. I don't know who is spreading the rumors and all that. He is fine, he is with their family. Okay, so I kind of feel that, okay, there was a dog of mine and he's no more. I was again lying on the bed and I had a vision, I saw him. Okay, so they contact us and I saw him. He was a breed of Pomeranian, and I saw his face. Then I saw the alignment that my sister was doing something on the phone and she was doing like this and I was not even aware, and she stopped. I told her prior that and she stopped and she said, oh my god, there were some dogs for adoption and there was one was Pomeranian, exact. Okay, so it resembles, and it's been around 24 or 25 years, I suppose. He's not with us. He saw, I mean, I saw him, means it's a message. I think he was trying to say that something that Fudge knows, because they can sniff. Is it like trying to say that they need to, he knows it, he can smell it, he can find out who is the one, the culprit, or the culprits actually. So true, it's just not one. So maybe he is aware, and or he can smell or he can sniff. Okay, exactly. Now the second thing, someone asked me that in the comment section, as far as I remember, I tried to grab all the questions. That is like something that was patent of him was being robbed by two energies here. So let's talk about that. So it's about yes or no. Okay, I think something is stolen, obviously, because the bin was there, it was tilted. A lot being stolen from his area. Okay, okay, that's the card, and this too is coming like this. Queen of Wands energy. If there is someone or was around in power, is actually, yes, they sit on the throne, they are in power. Queen of Wands could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, not important. Okay, but someone who is in power and they want the sunflower of the other energy. So, and with the Tower, something just crumbled down so soon. It's in the inside of some organization or home. This is also the changes that they bring or they want. Something that they don't like, they hit the lightning kind of, and they do it like the tower falls down. Okay, so the card that came is Four of Cups energy. It's like maybe some offer was done, someone who ignored, not accepted, obviously. And the three energies, someone trusted or more than three, that's not in the frame even, they betrayed. So basically it's about some opportunity or something that was being given or offered, contract or something, bond, and they denied it because they never wanted it. It's also something may it be connected with, yes, it's, I think it's yes, because something is being given and they're saying no. So I feel like yes. So especially with the Tower card, the crumbling that happened, okay, it's also something, for me it's an illegal building that should fall. So if it is connected with something illegal here, that is very clear. Something that happened illegal or it's illegally being taken away, or something that was happening and someone was trying to speak for that. They are being cornered emotionally first, drained. Okay, so we'll see what is connecting card with Four of Cups, Nine of Pentacles. Was it for money? Yes, of course. This is also someone who was trying to do something independent. So it's a yes. It's being listen, Nine of Pentacles is someone who takes stand for themselves and for others, and for their self-esteem, and they are independent in money and everything, so they take stand for themselves. It's being offered, they deny it possible. So it's coming yes, as far as the current information is. So as far as the current information, as per their question, as per the information that is available, cards give you the answer. Okay, so I feel like some offering was done to them. Recording time 11:11, so things go in alignment. Okay, what other thing was? Will we get justice? Please give us the answers. We will get justice. Ace of Cups. Yes, we will get justice. Okay. And someone will try to run away and escape. Okay. How hard they try to ignore the concepts, they're going to be get caught. If that's a sentence, yes, they're going to get caught. Eight of Cups. Something with the red, kind of like alert. Okay. A warning. Trying to detach other energies from the case as well, but they won't be able to. So we will get justice. Yes, we will get justice. Definitely we will get justice. Okay, what other things? I have to remember. Please bear. What's the question? Okay, we have a question of like, are there more culprits than one? Though I did the reading and I said that yes, there are. Ten of Cups energy. Yes, there are more culprits within this family of someone who emotionally became very close to him, became kind of family. Remember that. Emotionally got attached with him very much. Okay, I also see like this one family that we all know, so it's an assurance. Okay, we all know that. I'm getting so angry. And I don't know why he kept showing me the wounds, kept showing me a lot of wounds around his leg, and okay, fine. So I have to calm down to give you the messages, obviously, but it is very uncomfortable. So with the Ten of Cups, someone who entered in his home area, in his whole zone, became friends, like close friends, like we're a family and all. And I do feel that this person felt as if, obviously Sushant felt, they're my family and all. So he gave all that love, trusted them, and then they betrayed. And especially this one family, okay, of this girl, you know. So are there more culprits? Yes, there are. I said in one of my readings regarding SSR that there are 6 total, but There are energies who are either on at the back, then they are at the front, on the sides as well. Till the time will come when more names will be revealed. So there might be a group of 10 as well. More than 6 could be. Now listen more. I also want to share something that before I did even session 1, 2, 3. This is going to be the fourth one. I wanted to share something in this reading that because it's a ritual. You know, all the procedure is being done when someone passes from this world to the other world. So the first day I saw something when everything was done, like for his proceedings and everything. I saw that someone was actually, you know, washing the feet, okay, bare feet, washing the feet, and then they did the step up on the stairs. I kind of feel like on that day he returned. I know, not in this physical world. I want to talk sense here in the spiritual. So he returned. Why he returned and why everyone started feeling uncomfortable around the globe, why everyone is coming up for him. The reason is this. The reason is this only because they have the lightning speed in that realm. They can travel. They can tell other energies that this is what happened to us. So kind of he returned. Okay. Is this so he's not going. He's not going till the time it's done. He'll get peace, the real peace, when everything will be out. And it will be out, obviously. Okay. I do feel that regarding this case, people around the globe will hear some good news which is going to be in the favor of justice for SSR, and it's going to be tremendous approach and tremendous result of this case. It's going to be at the higher level something, very much. Yes, with the sun card, you're going to see the sun blooming for his justice, definitely. Okay, I want to ask, are these cases connected? Everything connected with SSR and the girl and everything? The Shasanyal. Let's see, little bit. Because people been asking me little bit of questions. Okay, let's see. Is this connected? This is coming like reversed. 6 of Swords energy, but doesn't matter. I feel like it's coming reversed because someone wants to keep this in fluctuation. What all the movement is. So I feel like this, yes, they're connected. But it's right now 50-50. That's why it's coming reversed. But the bottom energy is High Priestess. Okay. It's like hidden. The truth is hidden. The truth is hidden with 4 of Pentacles energy, which does say people who can control. It's about someone who can keep things in close proximity. Okay? It's also someone who is having power of money. 1818 recording time. 4 of Pentacles is about controlling every area, every corner with the power of the money here. That's what I see. That's why things are not clear regarding her in specific, but it is related. Still in, but will be out. Okay? So I said about the future of this case, yes, it's going to be out and it's going to be done. So maybe I'll, what I'll do, yes, of course I'll say. So the last message is here. I think it's connected with something 5, and it's going to be okay, fine. So the energy is trying to say possible around, because we feel that. I think it's going to be very positive response regarding justice for him and connected cases. But I also want to say that maybe I'll make the 5th one. Why? Because they want me to stop here, and it is connected with something 5. I also feel it's a very big message, so I should do it in a different scenario. Okay, so I hope that you will give support to this video, because this is all not for highlight, not for views, not for nothing. It is just that the information should be with people, and obviously in legal matter the lawyers are working for that, and they mean a lot because they are on that level legal matter, because it's a legal case. Okay, what we can do, we are going to do it, but I do feel that they're on right track and they're going to get good news. So the morning, any morning or every morning, you're going to get some good news about this case, which is very important in this time frame, and you are going to get hold of it. So I don't know why, I also feel like he wanted to stay single for some time. Okay, he wanted to stay single. It's why, like, being forced and being was done, all that. Obviously money, someone who is more good with money and all. So yes, money laundering case and all that is happening. They're going to be handcuffed. Take care guys, and let's pray together. World for SSR.